Want to create your own Viber stickers to express yourself? This video gets straight to the point and shows you exactly how to do it. In this Viber tutorial, we'll learn how to create your own Viber stickers. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. For extra support, you can also join the channel membership. Viber has a powerful, free sticker creator built right into the app, and it works on both Android and iPhone, as well as the Viber desktop app. After you have opened the Viber app, you will need to click on the More button at the bottom. Now, click on the Sticker Market option. Inside the Sticker Market, you should look for a button that says Create Stickers, and then click on it. You see an icon near the Settings button. This is your new sticker pack. First, you must give it a name, like Best Sticker Party, and a description. Now tap the first empty plus square to add your first sticker. This will open your phone's photo gallery. I'll select a photo from my gallery. The photo opens in the Viber sticker editor. This is where the magic happens. You have tools like a magic wand to remove the background, a crop tool, text, and doodles. Play around, and when you're done, click Save Sticker. Do the same for other images until you have your sticker pack finished. Once your pack is full, choose if you want it to be public or private, and click Create Pack. Your new stickers will instantly sync to your phone as well. Now, for some essential tips to make your stickers look professional. The best stickers come from clear, bright, high-contrast photos. A funny face in bad lighting won't look as good. Once you make a sticker pack public, you cannot make it private again. And if you delete a public pack, anyone who already downloaded it will keep it. So, only make packs public if you are sure you want everyone to have them. What if you run into a problem? Create Stickers button is missing. This is very rare. Make sure your Viber app is fully updated to the latest version. This feature is standard, so an update will almost always fix it. Magic Wand isn't working well. If the background is too similar in color to the main subject, the AI will get confused. In this case, you'll have to use the manual erase tool to cut it out yourself. So, we have reached the end of our guide on how to create your own Viber stickers. Now you can stop searching for the perfect reaction and start making it. Your chats are about to get a lot more personal and a lot funnier. I truly hope this guide inspired you to get creative. If it did, please give this video a like to show your support. It helps the channel a lot. And if you're interested in more Viber tips and tricks and other messaging tutorials, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Finally, I have a question for you. What's the first sticker you're going to create? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.